Hello everyone, welcome in this demo video. I'm Foyzul. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the working status of my ongoing project of MERN Boilerplate. So if you ask me what is MERN Boilerplate, I should say it's a boilerplate using the MERN stack, and I tried to use all of the production best practices. So what features did I use? I will explain in my other videos, but in this video I will just show you the amazing features I have developed. So let's start with the link demo.mernboilerplate.com, if you can see here, and also you can see the link from here, demo.mernboilerplate.com, and you cannot access that because it is hosted account, so only I can access super admin account. But if you log in or run in your local machine, or even if you host yourself, then you just follow the whole readme process and you can just up and running your own deployment project. So if I log in here, you should see that there are some demo data here. I didn't touch this. So I used Ant-D. So Ant Design is one of the most popular React framework in the current world. I used that. I leveraged the built-in components. So I didn't have to use the components from scratch. So in the super admin account, you'll see there are roles, resources, permissions, users. So it is the complete user module. So you can add, edit, delete users from here. Not only that, you can assign the permissions on the fly. You don't have to go to the code and change your permission manually and then deploy again the code base. You don't have to do that. You can do everything from the web console. That's why I'm pretty much excited about that. So let's start with the roles. These are the demo roles I created for the demo purpose, but you can create your own role. And for the users, I already have one user, Foyzul Karim, but suppose I forgot the password. So in the right side, you can say that in the incognito mode, I'll just follow the forget password and I'm just use my username over here. Oh, it's the email account I need. So if I press submit, so yes, this system already have built-in email verification, password reset, and other email features integrated in here. So let's pause a little bit. Let me open the email for you. So if you can see now that I already got an email from MERN Boilerplate system. This one is wrong because I created the SendGrid. I verified my SendGrid account using this, but that's different topics. So what I can do here, I'll just copy this link, Control C, and in the incognito mode here, I'll just paste it. And I'll add my new password. So my super awesome password. Okay. And yep, password change successfully. So if you can see my mouse, you can see there is now 3 email. I'll just open this for you. So yep, you can see I already got another email saying password reset successful. So if you want to use this project, you just go to your environmental variable and add your own SendGrid token or access key. Everything is already here. You don't have to do anything. Now, if I log in over here, I mean the right side, let's see what happens, because now I have the new password. Let's log in now. So what account does this Foyzul Karim has? I mean, what kind of role do I have? So let's see 1 second. The reason I didn't show you the navigation, because this live system already have different other users' emails, so I don't want to expose them in this video. So I'm sorry for that. But if you see here that from my left panel, which means the super admin panel, I can see that this Foyzul Karim guy is actually admin. Okay. So now if I see here, so I am convinced that this guy, the right side, is actually the admin. So in here, I can see there are some roles and there are some users and there are some permissions. Okay. Now let's create a role. Foyzul's role. Okay, and I'm just adding a demo so that it become unique. Okay, now let's create an user. Okay, so let's go to here and let's go to over here. So user 1 fk, user 1 fk, and phone number and email address. It doesn't have to be actual, so I'm just adding my own email address over here, or maybe I can use a demo email. So user 1 fk @ and the role. So as I said already that I'm an admin, the whole the context of an admin is separated. So no matter how many admin in this system are, they all have their own standalone, or not standalone, sandboxed environment or data. So I can come here and I can assign my own roles. So I'm just adding the demo role 1 here, and password, super password, submit. User created successfully. Now if I go to the permission over here, I can see that according to the role, this demo role is only having products API, this API, this API, this one is UI menu, products new menu, products search. This role doesn't have any access of the product list delete button. See, there is no checkbox over on the allowed button. So now if I just log in using that user, before that I have to activate that. Okay, so as I said that I already have email set up, so I'm just activating. Give me a sec. So I have opened a Firefox browser and I pasted the token and account, and yep, you can see account is activated. Now I can log in using the account. What was the account? Just remembering. Yep, this one. Right click, copy, paste, super awesome password, login, done. So now if I go to, okay, so this user, if you can see in the left side, doesn't have any roles, permissions, users, nothing. But on the contrast, this admin in the right side doesn't have any access to the products. Why? Because in the super admin panel, I didn't give permission, I didn't give products permission to the admin. See, so as I said repeatedly, so everything is granular, you can see from the panel. I'll show you. So in the left side, if I come here, so I can see the products, but in the action, see, I don't see any button. No. Now let's see the magics. So in the right hand side in the admin, I go to the permission, go to the manage, select the demo role 1, and in here product list delete button, I'm just allowing them, and I also make it disabled. So even if he can see the button, he cannot click it. Let's check it one more time. So let's log out from the Firefox, log in one more time. Okay, why am I logging? Because when I log in, I pull the client side data from the browser. Hey, why is it enabled? Okay, my pardon, it's a bug. Sorry, it's a bug. So but if I go to the users section, in the users section, see there is no button. It's labeled because in the super admin panel, in the manage section, if you select any admin, you should see that the delete button, see this one, delete user button admin, it is allowed, but this is disabled. So you can see from the admin panel, but you cannot click it. So yeah, let me uncheck this one. So it is saved. Now let's log out one more time. Mr. Foyzul. Yep, you can see this is enabled right now. So yeah, even if someone actually tries to send a post request or get request via Postman, because the whole system, the backend is applied the role-based access control granular level. I mean, you have to put what API he or she can use, the user can use. I mean, the role can use, and add the permission. So even if someone requests the payload by Postman or any other HTTP client, they cannot access that. They will say 403. So I think that's it I wanted to share. So there are pretty much a lot of works to do. So the forms one, the list one, I put it like a fake thing. So if you want to manage this project, you can delete the unwanted files, unwanted forms, and just clean it up for yourself and make it work. So I think that's all. You can play with it. You can do the sign up. You can do the sign up by yourself, and because it is already user integrated, I mean the email is integrated, so you can have the email confirmation. Once you get the email confirmation and confirm your account, you can just log in as an admin, and you can create your own roles, own users, and play with the menus and other stuff. So that's all I wanted to share for now. That's all. If you have any question or any suggestion, comments, please feel free to reach me out, and don't forget to mark this repo star. It will be highly appreciated. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.